I come out into the woodland canopy and I recite poetry. And on this beautiful summer afternoon, I began with the poem for Hummingbird, and 2 hummingbirds chirped sweetly and landed on the bare branch high in the canopy. What a miracle! Hummingbirds so small, enjoying such sweet nectar, most precious of all. Thankful for the trees, the many leaves brushed by wind, grateful for the breeze. In the canopy, so many creatures are singing. Hear the symphony. A poetry reading meditation to bring healing. Relax and breathe deeply, allowing the words to flow with your breath. Picture a beautiful forest under the shaded canopy next to the stream. Nature all around. The forest reminds, in harmony and balance,